be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. We've already turned off the water and disconnected the electrical. Now we're going to change out this valve. I have here a 1/2 inch and a 9/16 inch wrench. So let's loosen up these pipes. All right, spin that off, and we'll spin this off. All right, now we'll remove the valve. You can just leave one of these on. You don't need to take them both off. Here we go. And here's the old valve. All right, here's the new valve. The important part on this valve is the arrow. You'll notice it's pointing this way. We want the water to come in through this water line here and out this direction to this feed tube. So that's the important part here. The arrow needs to point that way. So let's mount the valve. All right, I'm going to leave that valve a little loose so we can slide it back and forth so we can get our alignment right with the other components. Now we'll install the feed tube. Make that hand tight in the incoming water line. All right, let's tighten up these connections. And we'll tighten these up. There we go. All right, the only thing left is to turn the water back on and can reconnect our electrical. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.